Here we have a 69 plate BMW 530D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 of extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We then have the carbon black metallic paintwork. We also have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also front splitter. Let's look at that front end. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. We also have the side skirts running along the bottom, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We do also have a rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. We do have the front and rear parking sensors with a audible warning and a visual display inside. Coming around to the back, you then find the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. We also have a button on the remote. Press the button and the boot will pop open just like so. Now inside of here, so we have plenty of space. Just go quite far back. We also have the storage pockets on either side, along with a storage net on the left. Handle just here, so we can pull the boot back down. Make sure that is closed properly. Back round to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look then at the interior now. Inside of the back first, you'll find the leather seats. We have the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We then have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. On the doors you've got the ambient lighting, brush metal door handles, electric windows and premium Harman Kardon sound system. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, with both front seats being heated, also electrically adjustable. Seat controls just down here. We also again have the Harman Kardon speakers, electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. Got the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side, paddle shifters as well either side of the steering wheel. As you can see on the dashboard, we are free from any warning lights other than a fully fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We then have the main infotainment screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty more features on here you would have seen on the photos. We do have all the shortcut buttons just down here. So click onto media, you'll find the radio stations. Go over to the left, and you can see we have all these other options as well for the media. We then have the phone connectivity for phone calls. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Going on to the main menu, if you go onto My Vehicle, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting. Plenty of colours on here which you can go through. Looks really nice at night time. We also have the dual zone climate control just down here. You've got the heated seats either side and also the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do, as you can see just there. Further down from there we have some storage space with a USB port, 12-volt connectivity and 2 cup holders which can be closed just like so. Automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. You'll find we have Eco Pro, Comfort and also the Sport drive mode, which will change the look of the dashboard for different drive modes as we flick through them just there. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button, and finally the armrest just here in the centre. That's all on the show guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm not to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap all the pedals to change gear. We have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons there on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show at different displays. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. But if you do listen carefully, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. could easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them at cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat-nav, plenty more features on there, again you would have seen on the photos. We also have the ambient lighting which runs all throughout, really makes the interior a nice place to be, it looks really nice especially at night time. We then have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We've got the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, with the articled air conditioning which is perfect for the hot summer days. Now we do also have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth at going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. We are about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on, just slowing down. We're going to take a right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with waiting for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.